Chad Daybell found guilty of the so-called doomsday murders. His sentencing hearing continues this morning in an Idaho courtroom. Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. Now, Daybell was found guilty of killing his first wife and his second wife's two children. The conviction coming almost exactly a year after his wife, Lori Vallow Daybell, was found guilty of murdering her children, Tylee and JJ. She was sentenced to life without parole. She's currently appealing. Now, prosecutors say the couple became obsessed with apocalyptic beliefs and used them to justify these killings. We do want to bring in trial attorney Mercedes Colwin on this, who's been tracking the minutia of it. Mercedes, it's good to see you, and I'm interested in your insight into what is happening in court here. What is the likelihood you think we're going to see the death penalty?
It's really interesting because the death penalty phase starts with the jury selection. The jurors have to be comfortable with actually agreeing to impose the death penalty, which will be at their behest. There'll have to be a hearing about whether or not his life will be spared. So at the very inception of this case, they sit jurors in order to make sure that they're comfortable that when they render a verdict, it can actually lead to the death of the defendant if they convict. So is it likely? It is definitely a likely possibility. You will have to hear lots of, I'm sure the defense is going to come forward with a lot of information about why Chad Daybell's life should be spared. There might be some community leaders, family members, friends that will come and testify and say to the judge that his life should be spared. So it's going to be a process which will begin on Thursday.
It's interesting. Lori Vallow Daybell, almost a year ago, when she was found guilty, sentenced to life without parole. What makes his case different, do you think? What do you think makes it more weighty in that we are looking at the death penalty?
Great question, Natasha. Part of it is that Lori Vallow had mental health issues. And you may remember that her case was actually stalled for a year and a half while she stayed in a mental health facility. At the time, after the year and a half, she was then found competent to stand trial. The basis of her appeal is the fact that she was mentally incompetent. So there might be those differences why her life was spared. Already the judge had this long history regarding her mental health history, which is probably why her life had been spared. But here you have, there's nothing that has been set forth in this proceeding that there were mental health issues by Chad Daybell. There's nothing other than what they believe to be the deaths of these three, Tammy and the two stepchildren, where this is greed, his desire for sex, and this fact that he believed himself to be a religious figure. So having said all that, there was nothing set forth before the judge for them to reconsider what might be the final penalty against Chad Daybell.
Mercedes Colwin, always appreciate the insight and time. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.